Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn chapter 2, Nutrition in Animals. First we have to see the digestive system of cow. Already we know the digestive system of human beings and the digestive system of cows are different. In the cow, the stomach having 4 chambers are there. A rumen, a reticulum, omasum and a abomasum. In the cow, first start the digestive system from the from the mouth. First they are taking the food and then half they are just directly they swallow the food, not chewing, they are directly swallowing the food. That food reaching into the rumen. In the rumen, partially digestion will take place. That food is known as cud. That cud is reaching into the mouth again and again they are chewing the food. That process is known as rumination. Those animals are doing this process, these animals are called ruminants. After that this cud is reached into the omasum. From the omasum this one reach into the abomasum. From the abomasum directly this reach into the small intestine. And then between the small intestine and the large intestine, one sac-like structure is there, that is known as cecum. In the cecum, particular type of symbiotic bacteria are present. These bacteria are helping for the digestion of the grass. The grass contains the cellulose. It means special type of carbohydrate. That symbiotic bacteria help for the digestion of the cellulose. But in the case of humans and other animals not having this capacity for digesting the cellulose, but in the cow having that capability for digesting the cellulose. These digestive systems are taking place in the cow. Digestion in grass-eating animals. Just to see, have you observed cow and buffaloes and other grass-eating animals chewing continuously even when they are not eating? Actually, they quickly swallow the grass and store it in a part of the stomach called the rumen. In the rumen, the food get partially digested and is called a cud. But later, the cud returns to the mouth in small lumps, in the form of small lumps, and the animal again chew it. The process is called rumination, and these animals are called ruminants. The grass is rich in cellulose, a type of carbohydrate. Ruminants like cattle, deer, etc. bacteria, symbiotic bacteria present in rumen help the digestion of the cellulose. Many animals like horses, rabbit, etc. have a large sac-like structure called the cecum between the esophagus and the small intestine. Between the small intestine and large intestine. Okay, the cellulose of the food is digested here by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in the humans. Thank you.